everyone, Rob Shepherd here from Shepherd Fit. Well, we're doing 100 videos in 100 days with Internet Lifestyle Network Group. Alright, so this giving us an opportunity to utilize videos and get some awesome, great content and message out to the universe. Alright, today we're going to talk about microwave. Our wonderful microwave that it was made, created by someone, and they don't give us the full details, and they didn't do any research to understand, which maybe they do some research but didn't want to share it. Here's what happened now. Well, I stopped microwave food for about maybe 2 to 3 years now. Okay? But I'm going to read something to you because I want it to come from the source, and I'm just the messenger. Alright? Here's what it said about our wonderful microwave. Listen to this. It says, the rise of widespread nutritional deficiencies in the Western world correlates almost perfectly with introduction of the microwave oven. Did you make an accent? Ooh. This is no coincidence. Microwave ovens heat, let me use the H, another thing, did you make an accent? Microwave oven heats food through a process of creating molecular friction, I should say. But this same molecular friction quickly destroys the delicate molecules of vitamins and phytonutrients, plant medicines naturally found in foods. One study showed that microwaving vegetables destroys up to 97% of the nutritional content, vitamins, and other plant-based nutrients that prevent disease, boost immune function, and enhance health. The source again came from Natural News. Very sad. So all this time we're wondering why we're sick. Because we're microwaving for a quick fix, and we're pretty much eating foods just to fill our stomach up, and we haven't getting any form of nutritional value to it. So take your time, no rush. Eventually, I hope, slowly, gradually move out of the microwave. Have a pot below your oven. As soon as you're ready to warm some food up, turn on the stove, put it on top of it. Turn it on high if you got to do that quick fast, and just put it and warm your food. That's what I started doing. Hey, hope this message can make some difference, change some lives. Alright, please share this video if you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Alright, check the links below. The Internet Lifestyle Network is doing big things. Boom, I'm out.